Taiwan's traditional arts are the essence of its folk culture, deeply rooted in everyday life. Located in Wujie, Yilan, the National Center of Traditional Arts has created a vibrant culture complex. The center blends various cultural spaces with hands-on workshops and captivating performances, offering a profound and diverse experience of traditional living. It has become one of Taiwan's most iconic cultural and aesthetic landmarks, passing down the spirit and legacy of traditional arts. Through Taiwan's rich culture, Yilan connects with the world. Oh, look at these red brick walls! I'm now at the National Center for Traditional Arts. There's so much to eat, see, and experience in this park. This charming vintage setting feels like stepping back in time. But with my current outfit, I don't quite fit the vibe, so I'm going to change into something more fitting to blend into the local vibes. Let's go! Inside the center, there's a Wenchang temple built with government funding. It honors Wenchang Dijun, or the god of culture and literature, and deities associated with traditional opera and craftsmanship. The hope is for Taiwan's traditional arts and crafts to flourish and be passed down for generations to come. Is there anything special here that most people wouldn't know about? Could you introduce something unique?
In addition to many works created by national-level masters, there's something you won't find in most temples outside. This charm above us called the scissors, ruler, and mirror charm.
It turns out that the charm carries a hidden blessing, a play on Chinese words, wishing for peace and harmony. Additionally, this temple is the first official temple built by the government after World War II. In the earlier days, it was common for students to visit here to pray to Wenchang Dijun before their college entrance exams. Besides Wenchang Temple, there's another old building worth exploring. It was built during the Japanese colonial period, named the Guangshang Shrine. This ancestral shrine was originally located in Yilan City. With assistance from the county government and concerned individuals, the shrine was dismantled, preserved, and faithfully reconstructed here. It's now a model of traditional Taiwanese architecture relocation and restoration. With its Guangdong Taozhou architecture style, the shrine boasts many fascinating details. For example, the hexagonal floor tiles used in the outer corridor, resembling tortoiseshells, symbolizing longevity. The hexagonal shape also looked like honeycombs, representing family unity and prosperity. Meanwhile, the symmetrical arrangement on both sides mimic farmland, symbolizing abundant wealth and blessings for our descendants. And people say there's a hidden gem for photo taking right behind the shrine.
Look at the shape of the window back here. Notice anything special about it? It's actually a happiness symbol.
Whoa! Why would they place a happiness symbol on the back?
The symbol being behind the ancestors signifies that joy will always follow their family line.
Oh, I see. So happiness will follow you wherever you go.
Exactly. When you visit this spot, you too can let happiness follow you.
Then everyone should definitely come here.
That's right. This joy can stay with you.
This is such a clever design. I highly recommend visiting this spot, soaking up the good vibes, and snapping some photos. After leaving Wenchangci and Guangxiao Shrine, I came across a parade in the street. This is one of the lively events unique to the Art Center. It vividly showcases the cultural essence of Taiwan's traditional arts. And on the old street, there's a special Taiwanese snack that's said to be the only one of its kind in the county. Here at the center, I've discovered so many fun and delicious things, but this next one is something I must recommend to everyone. Excuse me, what is this?
This is called sugar scallion.
Sugar scallion?
Yes.
Are scallions added in the street or what?
Not really. It's named after its shape. It looks very similar to the white part of a scallion.
Oh, that's how it got its name. Oh, I see. He's constantly pulling and stretching it. Why?
And the pulling motion is to incorporate air into the candy. By introducing air, it improves the texture. The more air it has, the hollower the candy will be once it's finished.
Oh, does it make it crunchier?
Exactly. The hollower the sugar scallion, the crispier it becomes.
The sugar scallion is already incredibly crispy.
But with each pull and stretch, the added air gives it an indescribably light texture. When sugar scallion is paired with peanut ice cream rolls, the combination creates layers of delightful contrast in every bite. Of course, beyond the nostalgic flavors, there's another old-fashioned shop here that is said to be worth exploring. Hello.
Hi.
Could you introduce what we're making today?
Sure, the fan you picked today matches perfectly with your outfit. When you finish, your fan will look something like this. But the design and
Oh.
arrangement will be up to your creativity. Here at Hello Auntie DIY Shop, we focus on promoting hands-on crafts, giving everyone the chance to unleash their imagination. We provide you with a blank canvas completely empty, and you'll decorate it with these flowers. For the first step, we've already pre-cut these dried and paper flowers for you.
I've chosen the theme wishing.
Great. First, you can take the main flowers for your theme and place them in the center or on the side of your fan. These will be the centerpiece of your design. You know what? Hello Auntie has been here for 7 years now.
7 years?
That's right. We focus on crafting workshops and we've helped make DIY a trend here in the area. This art center is all about promoting traditional culture.
Things like these are becoming rare these days.
Exactly.
Through hands-on crafts, we can get closer to our own culture roots.
Exactly.
Yay, I'm done. Take a look. Isn't it beautiful? I think coming here on a hot summer day, slowing down and trying this hands-on craft is just amazing. Nowadays, there aren't many opportunities to experience traditional crafts like this.
And here at Hello Auntie, we have all kinds of crafts for you to try.
Oui, po. And any other activities you recommend?
Since we've just finished making this creative fan, next we could try a cooking class.
Okay. As soon as I came up, I could smell a delightful sweet aroma.
That's because we were making pongtang, or Taiwanese puffed candy.
Oh, this is my first time hearing about it. What is it?
Puffed candy is actually Taiwan's earliest type of cookie. Sugar used to be very expensive back then, so people got creative. They would turn a small amount of sugar into this large puffed candy so it could be shared among children in the family. It's a wonderful example of the wisdom of the older generation. Now we've poured the sugar into this ladle. The white sugar here is cane sugar. When cane sugar melts, it's clear and colorless, so we've added a bit of natural coloring, brown sugar, to give it that golden hue.
Brown sugar.
Like this.
Oh.
It adds a bit of color to make it look nice.
Give it a little bit of color.
Okay, now let's pour it out. Not yet. Almost there. Now stir it quickly. Stir it in the middle just like that.
Am I stirring fast enough?
Perfect. Keep going.
I'm working to eliminate the bubbles.
Yes, and stir in the center. Hold it still. Okay, it's starting to rise. Look, it's puffing up.
Oh, it's like watching bread rise on the oven. And there it is. The nostalgic treat puff candy.
It's done. Great job.
This really feels like stepping back into my parents' generation. What a wonderful experience.
Exactly. We aim to give children joyful memories to take home while allowing parents to relive their childhood experiences.
Each shop at the art center feels like a portal through time, preserving the wisdom of everyday life. Here, you can see the essence of traditional art forms, from opera, costumes, dance, and crafts, to culinary delights, all presented vividly. It also offers many interactive experiences. This culturally and artistically rich place is not just a key part of Taiwan's cultural heritage, but also Yilan's most internationally recognizable symbol. It's a destination worth savoring time and time again. These beautiful stories about everyday life deserves to be passed down from generation to generation. This trip to Wujie was truly eye-opening. Wujie is like a treasure chest you can never fully uncover. It's always ready to surprise you with something unexpected. For example, the seaweed-flavored treat was such a perfect fusion of tradition and creativity. Or the mountain-high piles of white baits, bursting with fresh ocean flavors that make you want to devour them on the spot. And the smoked duck cake, a romantic flavor that leaves an unforgettable impression on your taste buds. Dishes and snacks made from udon rice are full of variety, making you realize that the best rice is truly a beautiful blessing from nature. Here, there's no urban noise or chaos. What you'll find is simplicity and tranquility. You can take a small boat to enjoy the beauty of the 52Jia wetland, or relieve stress at the Dongsan River Water Park. At the National Center for Traditional Arts, you'll experience the simple joys of life. It nourishes not only your stomach, but also your soul. I'm Gui Yao. Where will we go next? Stay tuned!
成为一尾坚强有活力的台湾，嘿！